Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 1:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 12:52 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Salt River Indian Community, 47 miles southeast of Paradise Valley, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Mesa, Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, Mesa Riverview Mall, Fiesta Peak Park, downtown Scottsdale, Salt River Indian Community, downtown Mesa, Scottsdale Airport, Camelback Mountain, and North Mountain Park. This includes the following highways: Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 5 and 13. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 173 and 182. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 10 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,